Now let's see the next steps to improve your business. You learned everything, how to set up a business on Facebook as an affiliate. But if you want to go to the next step, you have to do the following. You should set up your email marketing campaigns. So you should learn about email marketing secrets. So how to get customers come into your autoresponder and their email address to be saved into your databases and send emails with your promotions periodically. You should also understand what the sales funnels are. So to understand how you can profit from your customers and prospects. So once they come to your page, they see a special offer, which can be a free offer, and then you should design all your funnel process so that the customers will purchase from you as much as possible. So you need to learn the sales funnel secrets. Then, if you want to really go ahead, you should be able to create your own videos so that you can create your promotions using videos, or even your product based on videos like video tutorials, or even having videos for your reviews or your promotions. Another way also is to do some coaching online. So to coach customers to purchase from you, or selling online coaching programs. This is a very profitable niche. Then you have to learn how to make your business sustainable, so that if you're making money today, you should be able to make money also tomorrow and over again. And finally, to attract more prospects, you need to learn a lot about copywriting or hire a copywriter. But copywriting is really the secret to attract prospects and to increase the conversion rate. If you are ready to boost your business, then it's time to follow these 6 steps. If you check all my courses and my page, you will see that I'm also offering coaching programs to learn all this stuff. First of all, you should check my Boost Your Business with Email Marketing Secrets course, where I'm teaching about email marketing. Regarding sales funnel secrets, I created a course, The Secrets to Start and Skyrocket an Online Business. Regarding video production, I created a course, Web Video Editing and Production, Camtasia and PowerPoint and Audacity. Regarding online coaching programs, I created a course, How to Set Up a Long-Term Business as an Online Instructor. And to make a business sustainable, I created a course, How to Make Your Living Online on Autopilot. And finally, to become an expert in copywriting, I created a course on copywriting in collaboration with the famous copywriter Brett McFall, Australian copywriter. All these courses are available for you to increase your business, to improve your business, to increase your visibility on the internet.